Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the fabulous world of Kashmira Pardeshi's fashion choices. Known for her impeccable style and effortless elegance, Kashmira has become a trendsetter in the fashion scene. Let's explore some of her standout looks and the trends she embraces. Kashmira's casual chic style is all about balancing comfort and sophistication. From laid-back denim ensembles paired with stylish blouses to trendy jumpsuits, she effortlessly combines simplicity with a touch of glam. Take notes on how she elevates everyday basics with statement accessories and understated makeup. When it comes to red carpet events, she knows how to steal the show. Her red carpet looks are a masterclass in glamour. Whether it's a stunning gown with intricate detailing or a sleek and modern pantsuit, she always exudes confidence and poise. Watch closely for her makeup and hair choices that perfectly complement her outfit. Her boho-inspired looks are a breath of fresh air. Flowy dresses, floral patterns, and earthy tones dominate the style segment. Even in activewear, the actress manages to look effortlessly stylish. From chic athleisure sets to trendy workout gear, she proves that fashion can be functional and fabulous. The actress often rocks effortless waves that give off a relaxed yet stylish vibe. Achieve this by using a curling wand or braiding your hair overnight for those natural waves. The actress pulls off the straight hair look with sheer gruff. This style is ideal for formal events or when you want to channel your inner sophistication. Moving on to the messy bun magic. She knows how to rock a messy bun effortlessly. Gather your hair into a loose bun, allowing a few strands to frame your face. This look is perfect for a quick and trendy hairstyle, whether you are heading to work or going for a workout session. For a touch of glam, let's explore the glamorous updo. Kashmira stuns in chic updos for red carpet events. Whether it's a bun or a twisted updo, it adds an instant dose of elegance. Perfect for weddings, parties, or any special occasion where you want to turn heads. Embrace the ethereal with boho dresses that resonate with her laid-back elegance. Flowy silhouettes, floral patterns, and delicate details define this bohemian style. Pair these dresses with sandals or ankle boots for a dreamy and whimsical look. Perfect for outdoor events, garden parties, or simply embracing your inner free spirit. The actress effortlessly blends tradition with modernity in her fashion choices. Experiment with a modern twist on traditional wear, such as contemporary saris, fusion dresses, or unconventional lehengas. She often incorporates blazers into her looks, turning casual outfits into statements of effortless sophistication. Pair a chic blazer with jeans or a simple dress for a polished yet relaxed vibe, suitable for a variety of occasions. The actress often incorporates sheer elements into her outfits, creating a sense of allure and sophistication. From sheer sleeves to overlays, the style adds a subtle yet captivating dimension to your ensemble. Kashmira nails the "just got out of bed" look with these loose, beachy waves. She often opts for a sleek low bun. This timeless hairstyle is ideal for formal events, meetings, or a glamorous night out. Simple yet elegant, the messy ponytail is a go-to for a carefree and playful vibe. Kashmira pulls off this look effortlessly, adding a touch of fun to her style. It's a fantastic choice for a day filled with activities. The actress effortlessly combines elegance and boho chic with intricate braids. Whether it's a fishtail, crown braid, or a simple side braid, she proves that braids add a touch of sophistication to any look. Kashmira knows how to turn heads with voluminous curls. Big, bouncy curls add glamour and can be the perfect choice for a red carpet event or a glamorous night out. Channeling old Hollywood glamour, Kashmira occasionally rocks retro hairstyles. Think Victory rolls, pin curls, or a classic Hollywood wave. These timeless looks are perfect for special occasions that call for a touch of vintage charm. Breaking away from the long locks, Kashmira once stunned everyone with a chic pixie cut. If you are feeling bold and want a low-maintenance yet stylish look, consider the edgy charm of a pixie cut like Kashmira. The actress effortlessly masters the art of smoky eyes. Whether it's a subtle, daytime smokiness or a bold, nighttime allure, her eyeshadow techniques emphasize her eyes, creating a captivating and sultry gaze. For a touch of timeless elegance, she often opts for nude lip shades. From soft peaches to warm browns, she proves that a well-chosen nude lip can complement any look, whether it's casual chic or red carpet glam. Winged eyeliner is a classic, and Kashmira adds her own touch of precision to this timeless look. The perfect wing can instantly elevate your eye makeup, and the actress showcases how to achieve that flawless, sharp line. Her radiant complexion is envy-inducing, and she often embraces a glowing makeup look. Whether it's a dewy foundation or strategically placed highlighter, she knows how to achieve that luminous finish. Kashmira isn't afraid to embrace vibrant hues, and a pop of color on the eyes or lips is one of her signature moves. Whether it's a bold red lip or a playful eyeshadow shade, she demonstrates how a splash of color can transform your entire look. Brows frame the face, and the actress understands the power of well-defined eyebrows. Her arches are always impeccably shaped, contributing to a polished and put-together appearance. For a harmonious and polished look, she often embraces monochromatic makeup. Coordinating eyeshadow, blush, and lip color creates a cohesive and stylish appearance, showcasing her impeccable sense of color coordination. Achieving that coveted dewy finish, she occasionally opts for glossy lips and subtle highlights. Her strategic use of gloss adds dimension to her makeup, giving her a fresh and youthful glow. Kashmira often embraces fresh-faced radiance, letting her natural beauty shine. Achieve this look with a lightweight foundation, a touch of concealer, and a hint of blush for that healthy glow. Finish off with a nude lip and minimal eye makeup for an effortless everyday look. Switching gears to smoky eyes drama, a signature look for Kashmira. Create a sultry gaze with a blend of dark eyeshadows, winged eyeliner, and voluminous lashes. Pair this bold eye makeup with a neutral lip color to balance the intensity. She often rocks this romantic look with flushed cheeks and a rosy lip tint. Channel the golden goddess glow with her luminous makeup. Highlight those high points with a golden shimmer, and add warmth to the eyes with bronze and gold eyeshadows. Opt for a nude lip to keep the focus on the radiant, sun-kissed complexion. She knows how to make a statement with a classic red lip. Pair it with a clean, defined eyeliner and subtle eyeshadow for timeless elegance. This look is perfect for evenings when you want to exude confidence and allure. The actress often dazzles with statement earrings that steal the spotlight. Embrace bold designs, oversized hoops, or intricate studs to add a touch of glamour to your look. Whether it's a casual day out or a special event, statement earrings are a game changer. Let's talk about layered necklaces, a style staple for Kashmira. Experiment with different lengths and textures to achieve that effortlessly chic, bohemian vibe. Layered necklaces are perfect for enhancing plain tops or adding flair to a simple dress. Bring on the arm candy with stackable bracelets. She loves to mix and match bracelets, creating a dynamic and personalized look. Combine various textures, materials, and colors to express your unique style. Stackable bracelets are versatile and suitable for any occasion. Kashmira often opts for a timeless watch to complement her outfits. Choose a sleek design with a metal or leather strap for a sophisticated touch. A classic watch effortlessly adds elegance to both casual and formal ensembles. The actress the bohemian look by stacking rings on multiple fingers. Mix metals, gemstones, and intricate designs to achieve that free-spirited, eclectic feel. Boho chic rings are perfect for festivals, beach outings, or adding a touch of whimsy to your daily style. Let's shade it up with trendy sunglasses, an essential in her accessory repertoire. From oversized cat-eye frames to retro aviators, choose sunglasses that not only protect your eyes but also elevate your overall look. Perfect for adding a touch of glamour to your street style or beach day outfits. She often cinches her waist with stylish belts, adding flair to dresses, blazers, or oversized tops. Experiment with different widths, textures, and buckle designs to accentuate your waist and showcase your fashion-forward sense. Bring on the statement handbags for that finishing touch. The actress knows the power of a bold handbag to complete her ensemble. Whether it's a vibrant color, unique texture, or eye-catching design, a statement handbag can instantly elevate your outfit. Choose one that suits your style and makes a memorable impression. She often adds a touch of glamour to her hairstyles with chic hair accessories. From embellished hairpins to stylish headbands, these details can elevate your overall look effortlessly. Experiment with different options to find what suits your personal style. Wrist candy alert. Her love for stackable bracelets is evident in her accessory choices. Mixing metals, textures, and materials, she creates a visually appealing stack that adds a touch of edginess to her overall style. She knows how to accentuate her locks with the right hair accessories. From embellished pins to stylish headbands, she effortlessly incorporates these details, turning a simple look into a head-turning ensemble. Kashmira effortlessly elevates her look with statement earrings. Whether it's hoops, chandeliers, or bold studs, she proves that the right pair of earrings can make a powerful style statement, enhancing both casual and formal ensembles. Mastering the art of layering, she often adorns herself with layered necklaces. Mixing different lengths and styles creates a chic, bohemian vibe that's perfect for adding personality to a simple outfit or complementing a trendy look. Kashmira doesn't shy away from making a statement with her hands. Bold and eclectic, her choice of statement rings adds a touch of glamour to her overall look. From oversized gems to unique shapes, these rings are the perfect finishing touch. Timepieces take on a new level of elegance when Kashmira is involved. She often complements her outfits with designer watches, showcasing that a well-chosen watch can be both functional and a stylish accessory. The actress often incorporates belts as stylish accessories. Whether it's a wide statement belt to cinch the waist or a delicate one to add a subtle detail, she demonstrates the transformative power of this accessory. When it comes to completing her red carpet looks, she knows the importance of a glamorous clutch. Embellished, beaded, or metallic, her choice of clutch is always carefully curated to complement the overall ensemble. Kashmira seamlessly merges tradition with modernity, often donning ethereal ethnic wear. From intricately embroidered saris to exquisite lehengas, she showcases the timeless beauty of Indian attire, proving that cultural elegance is always in vogue. Stepping into the avant-garde, the actress fearlessly embraces bold and unconventional fashion choices. From asymmetrical hemlines to avant-garde silhouettes, she transforms fashion into an art form, challenging norms and setting new trends. Even in casual settings, her street style game is on point. With a keen eye for mixing trends, she effortlessly blends comfort with fashion-forward pieces, proving that style knows no bounds, even on the sidewalks. Vintage vibes take center stage in her wardrobe. She showcases the timeless allure of vintage fashion, from classic silhouettes to retro accessories, proving that embracing the past can create a fashion statement that transcends time. Kashmira proves the timeless allure of monochrome outfits. Whether it's an all-white ensemble radiating sophistication or an all-black look exuding chic elegance, she showcases how playing with a single color can make a bold and striking statement. Even in her laid-back moments, the actress exudes casual coolness. From trendy denim pairings to effortlessly chic jumpsuits, she reveals how to embrace comfort without compromising on style. Perfect for those days when comfort meets fashion. In a world often filled with excess, she champions the beauty of high-fashion minimalism. Clean lines, simple silhouettes, and a focus on quality materials define her minimalist approach, proving that less can indeed be more. No fashion exploration is complete without a look at the ground, and Kashmira's footwear choices are nothing short of adventurous. And there you have it, a glimpse into Kashmira Pardeshi's diverse and fabulous fashion choices. Whether it's casual, red carpet, boho, or fitness fashion, she knows how to make a statement. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.